Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. So today we are going to learn about the keyboard spacer view in React Native. So you can see the demo over here. I have created the demo. So when I click on this one, the keyboard pad opens and you can see that there is a too much spacing also. Hello world if I'm going to type and just clicking animation with down. So if you want this kind of implementation in a React Native, so I'm going to teach you how to do that. So before that, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. It's very easy, very simple. Few lines of code you can write and you can implement such a beautiful thing in your React Native app. So let's get started. So here we have the code that I have write it down. Before that one, you need to install the package that is called React Native Keyboard Spacer. Okay, you need to add this package. Then we have a React component we are implementing, and this is the React Native default, right? So here we have just added what we have added, this image. This is that is wrapped in a view, right? And we have a text input where we have mentioned the style left 0 right and the height 0 and placeholder enter your text, right? After enter text, we have a the view that will animate to match the keyboard's height. Okay, this is the view. When you add this one, so you automatically match with your phone height, so it automatically pop-ups up. And when you type something and press enter, then it will automatically come down. So this is how we are able to use this package keyboard spacer view in React Native. Okay, and you can see that the flawless view of that one, just clicking on that, just with this one animation with the plug and this is a very plug and play in iOS and Android, and very easy tool you can use in your React Native project. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.